Hey, you stop right there. We need to talk about what you just did.
What the fuck?
Yep, your burps and farts. Denmark's introducing a new methane tax in order to fight the climate changes, since the methane gas is 80 times worse than the carbon dioxide.
So you're taxing bobs?
A Danish cow like her produces 5.6 ton of carbon dioxide equivalent per year. That's $96 each year for a cow.
But why has cows?
Cows causes 12% of the greenhouse gases. So the tax helps to reduce the emissions and go green. So what do we think? Should more countries follow this? Let us know in the comments below.